Welcome to a new video from EU Droneport. The responsibility for guaranteeing safe separation of aircraft, both on the ground, at airports, and in the air, always rests with the air navigation service provider when flying in controlled airspace or within flight information zones. It's crucial to draft a coordination document alerting the ANSP to the planned operations prior to carrying out the first flight in these zones. There might be a pre-coordination step necessary depending on the nation you are flying in. Let's look at the requirements for drone operations in Spain's controlled airspace. As previously stated, ANSP oversee aircraft navigation, guaranteeing the security of all flights, including those conducted by drone operators. There are currently 3 civilian ANSP in Spain, each in charge of a particular area of the sky, though this could change in the future. In air, Skyway, and Cerca. Apart from civilian ANSP, the Ministry of Defense manages the airspace of all military air bases within the country. If you're a registered drone operator with training for flights in the open or specific category, you'll need radio operator training for drones. It is required to use an aviation band radio to communicate with nearby aircraft when flying in controlled airspace. Therefore, having a license to operate a radio is required. And EARO, evaluation and mitigation of operational risk. It is required to demonstrate to each ANSP the planned flight procedures and risk reduction or mitigation measures prior to starting flights in controlled airspace. In addition to ANSP approval, this safety evaluation, or EARO, is required for flight requests. After the aforementioned conditions are met, flight requests may be submitted by following the guidelines provided by each ANSP and taking the flight zone-specific lead time into account. Lastly, in order to validate and register the flight in the air traffic control system, an operational flight plan needs to be submitted about 24 hours prior to takeoff. Thank you for watching this video. For more information regarding when do we have to coordinate with controlled airspace in Spain, visit eudroneport.com or click the link in the description. Safe flights.